10, 11, and 12, we're converting again between degrees and radian measures. This is problem type 2, so sometimes a little bit trickier. We are going to round our answers to the nearest hundredth. And so for pi, you could use 3.1415. Because of rounding issues, I recommend that you use the pi on your calculator. On the Casio, you hit shift, and the EXP, you can see in yellow, the pi button is above that. And so if you just use the pi on your calculator, you won't have to worry about rounding. Otherwise, you need to carry out pi far enough that you don't end up with rounding issues. But same kind of conversion that we did before. If I have 149.41 degrees, in order to change it into radians, I'm going to multiply by pi over 180. So that means I have 109.41 pi divided by 180, and I'm going to put that into my calculator. Again, I'm going to use the pi button. So I'm going to put 149.41, shift the EXP button to show pi on my calculator, divide that by 180. I get 2.607. I'm rounding it to the nearest hundredth, so I want to carry it 3 places so I can round it off. So I have 2.61 radians then. So 149.41 degrees is equivalent to 2.61 radians. Number 11, same kind of thing. I'm going to go from radians to degrees. So I have 6 pi over 11, and I am going to multiply it by 180 over pi so that the pi can cancel out. So I'm going to have 6 times 180 divided by 11, and that's what I'm going to punch into my calculator. So 6 times 180 divided by 11 gives me 98.1818. But I'm rounding to the nearest hundredth, so 98.18 degrees is equal to 6 pi over 11 radians. 6/11 pi, however I want to read that. Number 12, same kind of thing. Here I have 224 degrees that I'm starting with. I'm going to multiply by pi over 180 so that my degrees cancel out. I'm not going to worry about reducing. I could probably reduce a little bit, but I'm just going to take the 224 pi, divide it by 180 since I'm using a calculator anyway. So 224, shift the EXP button to get pi, divide that by 180. I get 3.909, which would be 3.91 radians now. And again, if you are or you do not have the pi button or don't want to use the pi button, I would recommend that you use 3.14. Probably want to go to at least 1/6. 3.14159, but you don't probably want to round it off too far or you may get rounding issues. So I would maybe carry it at least that far. Otherwise, easiest thing to do, just use your pi button and then you don't have to worry about rounding issues.